Okay? Total, puro artist lahat na nandito eh, no? Kata tayo ng mga paborito natin, ano? Yung paborito rin nating artist.
Don McLean.
Starry, starry night. Paint your palette blue and green. Look at that summer's day. You guys that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hill. Sketch the trees and the daffodil. Sketch the breeze and the winter chill. In color of a snowy evening. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your safety. How you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now. Okay, thank you very much.